this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a meeting inside of Odoo. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Odoo like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to Calendar and then click New onto Meetings. Then this page should be popping up, and here you can add in the meeting subject. You can add in a start date and an end date of the specific meeting. You can add the duration of the meeting. You can either select hours or you can select all day. You can also select recurring if you want to do that. And by doing this, you can also add in the time zones and how many times it should be repeated, either daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. Then from here, you can also add a location where you can select either an online meeting or a meeting at a meeting room in your office or whatever. Then you can also add a video call URL where you can either copy paste your Zoom URL or you can create an Odoo meeting down here where you can join video call if you want to do that. Then you can add tags. You can add the privacy for the specific meeting, either available or busy, and public, private, or only international users. You can also add the organizers, which will automatically be you, but you can also choose other coworkers or clients or whatever. Down here you can also click the description for the meeting. You can add a reminder if you want to do that, and you can see how many attendees, yeses and nos, and awaits. Down here you can also select attendees, where you can invite your colleagues or clients to the specific meeting. Then from here you simply need to go out to Calendar again, and you'll see that this meeting has been created inside of your calendar. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!